A certain company assigns employees to offices in such a way that some of the offices can be empty and more than one employee can be assigned to an office. And how many ways can the company assign 3 employees to 2 different offices? Okay, so we got office 1 and we got office 2. And then we have 3 employees. We'll say A, B, and C. So, remember, so offices can be empty. So we can think of this. I think we can just write out all the possible scenarios here and then count them. So let's say we can have everybody in office 1, right? So that would be A, B, C. And then nobody would be here. And then we can have everybody in office 2. Should be A, B, and nobody here. We can have A, B in office 1 and then C over here, or we can have C over here. So everyone's going to have 2 options, right? Because you can always just flip the offices around. And then we can also have AC over here and B over here, or B over here and AC over here. And then we can also have, so A here and BC here. And I think that's it, right? We get all the different ways 2 people can be in office 1, AB, AC, BC. We get all the different ways 1 person can be in office 1. And then we get all the ways all 3 people. So this should be it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. D. So that's probably how I would just count. Let's see, can we think of this as a combination question? I think we can do that too, if that is your preference. So if we do the same thing, how many ways can we put? We got 3 people and we got 2 offices. So we can think of it. As let's put everything in terms of just one office, office 1. So how many ways can we put 3 people in office 1? How many ways can we put 2 people in office 1? How many ways can we put 1 person in office 1? And then how many ways can we put 0 people in office 1? And then every number we come up with for office 1 here is going to have a corresponding number for office 2. So, the number of ways we can put 3 people in office 1 is also going to be the number of ways we can put 0 people in office 2. So the number of ways we can put all 3 people in office 1, that's going to be 3 choose 3, which is just equal to 1. And that should make sense because there's only one way to put all 3 people in office 1. That means A, B, and C go here. How many ways can we put 2 people in office 1? So that's going to be 3 choose 2, and that's just going to be 3 different ways. How many ways can we put 1 person in office 1? That's just going to be 3 choose 1, which is also equal to 3. And then how many ways can we put 0 people in office 1? So that would be 3 choose 0. That's just going to be 3 choose 0. So you could also think of this as the same as how many ways can we put all 3 people in office 2. So that's actually just going to be 1 again. So 3 choose 0. There's only one way you can choose 0 people, and that's that you choose 0 people. So this is also going to be equal to 1. And where do we end up here? So we just got to add these different ways and we get 8. So either of those ways should work. Nothing wrong with sort of brute forcing it, as long as it's easy to do, which here it was wasn't too bad. D.